KLTGA, the Galley Architect by Kangli Group of Companies. Proudly designed and solely manufactured by the Galley Architect, this standalone deep fat fryer is inspected and strictly tested in accordance to international standard. Our deep fat fryer has also been awarded with accreditations and certifications by the American Bureau of Shipping, China Classification Society, Det Norsk Veritas, Germanischer Lloyd, Lloyd's Register, Bureau Veritas, and Marine Equipment Directive. Most importantly, in case of fire, this intelligent unit is designed with technologically advanced safety features that first protect the hazard area by containing the fire within the stainless steel walls of the unit. It then energizes the fire extinguisher to release non-toxic water-based foam to suppress the fire and blankets the hazard area with a thick saponification layer to prevent against fire reignitions. This not only adheres to the strict ISO 15371-2009 requirements, but also provides a safe environment for the crew members. Built in with self-fire extinguishing systems and alarm, ship owners also have the option to install an external connection to the ship's alarm system as an enhancement. Easy to maintain and clean, our deep fat fryer is methodically designed with stainless steel construction. Our deep fat fryer is also equipped with exhaust fan, working lights, grease filters, oil drip pan, and oil well drain valve to ensure convenience and ease of usage to ship owners. Available in 10-liter and 20-liter models, this standalone unit is highly user-friendly, easy to operate and maintain. For more information on our deep fat fryer and other equipments, please visit our website at www.tgasingapore.com.